Hi again folks, how you all doing? This is a quick wee video just to let you see what I did to repair a model that I wasn't making a video about. Clearly I should have done, but you know, I can't film everything. And I do quite a few repairs to models off camera. Now a chap called William sent me his Bachmann 57XX Pannier Tank here to see if I could get it running. Now this is an older Bachmann Pannier, but not a split chassis one, so I wasn't expecting too much of a problem with it initially, which is one of the reasons I didn't bother filming it. However, when I opened this up, it was clear there'd been some jiggery faffery going on with the wiring, but the main problem was the motor. It was dead. This is the motor here, with the worm removed. What have I done with the worm? There it is. So I thought, you know, I'll just go onto the Bachmann website and order up a replacement. But as this is for an older model, Bachmann don't have a replacement model. The 57XX motor they do have in stock is for a later model. I emailed Bachmann to ask if they had any of these motors kicking around or if any motor from any other model would fit, but they got back to me and said no. So I then went on the hunt online for a similar motor and couldn't find one anywhere. I could find similar ones, but they were a wee bit bigger, but nothing specifically this size to fit into the mount in the model. So I gave up and I reported back to William that no motor replacement could be had and that on this occasion I sadly wasn't going to be able to sort this for him. But behold, it moves. What did I do? So out of curiosity, I compared this motor with a spare motor I had from Horns and Whistles Workshop, one of their XO4 replacement thingies. Now, this is the same motor that's in my Hornby J36s and 2MT, and I noticed that the actual size of the motor is pretty much the same, lengthwise anyway, and widthwise they're similar. This one's actually a little bit smaller, but I thought, well, do you know, it would almost fit. I would have to remove the flywheel and cut off the shaft at the rear. I think it would maybe fit. So here it is, fitted into the model. Now, although it fitted lengthwise, in every other respect this motor is a little bit smaller, so it fitted kind of loosely into this mount. So what I did was I drilled two small holes at the front through the mount and into the motor and fitted a couple of screws just to secure the motor in place. Unfortunately, the original worm gear wouldn't fit because the shaft sizes are different on the armatures between the two motors. So I fitted one of these worms, usually found on a Type 7 motor, and it just meshes with the gears just enough for it to work. I really do wish the original worm could be fitted, but as I say, the shaft sizes make that not really possible unless I could find some kind of adapter or something. I've looked online for a similar worm with the right diameter of hole for that motor, but no, can't find anything anywhere. But it works, and at least William can run his Pannier Tank again. Also rewired this because the wires were in a bit of a mess, but there we go, a Bodge fitted motor. You can see there that that worm doesn't really mesh very well, but it does work. If anyone knows of a better motor replacement for this or a more suitable worm, please let me know in the comments. Okay, so there we are. This wee Pannier Tank runs again after a wee bit of motor bodging. I love stumbling upon bodges like that work out, and I'm really pleased to be able to return this to William as a running model. You know, I'm never happy to send anything back unrepaired, but it's you know, it's not running perfectly. It would run better with a more suitable worm gear, I think, and it could really do with a new set of wheels. A few people have asked about a layout update. Yes, there'll be one soon. It's just not really the time of year for layout building, but I will be doing an update soon. I've been working away doing stuff. This is why I'm not doing a running session with this video, because I've just got too much going on in this corner just now. I've had quite a few problems in building this area because it's, you know, it's a tunnel, it's going to be landscaped and it has to be removable. It's going through a difficult phase at the moment. I'll leave it at that. Okay folks, catch you later.